came too far to go backwards.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you have a great day wherever you are in the universe. So we are here on the back wall once again, East LA. Let's see what's going on. I picked a good time to come here. There's not a lot of people here. Here's the savings breakdown once again if you need to see it. And without further ado, let's get right to it and see what we can come across. Off the bat, I see these. We just seen these in Finish Line the other day. Retail, these are actually now, I guess retail, but 20% off. So it's below retail. That's pretty dope. Have some more, $95, $79. The great 95s. Okay, the Bowfins, size 6 though. This colorway is pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these. These are pretty fire. I've seen these before in the store, but they have them actually now on sale. You might want to check them out. Lots of Pro Tros to go around. They actually have PG3s here already. 110 price point, but extra 20% off. It's the kids section, so like, you know what I'm saying? Flyknit 3s. Well, okay. Was kind of surprised to see these here. These just came out. This must have been one return, unless we see some more. Size 8. What do you guys think about these in the comments? Oh no, live stream. No. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. These are pretty dope. This might be the thumbnail indeed. I already got them at the outlet, y'all. That's crazy. Look at these. This colorway is pretty dope. Reminds me of the New York Giants or something like that. Epic React Element. So it's just 20% off the retail. What else is going on here? Never seen these before. Let me know what y'all think about those in the comment section below. As you see. Okay, they got some more Air Max 97. This colorway. On the white for it's retail with 20% off. They got some more Orlandos for retail, 20% off, of course. Still got some Vapor Max 2019s in the building. Discounted Pro Tros. Okay, that box is falling apart. Y'all see I didn't do nothing but put another box back and then it just fell. Can't say I've seen these Air Max 270s before. They call them premiums. If you guys have seen them before or actually own a pair, let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Okay, I see something we haven't seen. These right here. Let me know what you guys think about these Kobe's. These Pro Tros, a lot of people did like them. They're still actually in store for retail, but you can get them here for a little cheaper than that. I guess it's still retail, but extra 20% off, which is pretty dope. What do you guys think about these? Do you guys actually own a pair of these? Let me know in the comments. Hold on. Some more of these. But who would have thought that Super Bronze would still be here? Haven't seen them every time I've been to the outlets, but I definitely have seen them here at the outlets. That patent leather is killing. Super Bronze. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. I think these are still retail, but they're extra 20% off, you know what I mean? Some more great Air Max 95s right here. It's a bigger size, size 11. Retail plus 20% off. Seen these before. It makes sense that they are here finally at the outlets. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? These are not bad actually. Just never pulled the trigger on them. They are here. They should not be retail, so it should be cheaper than that. You might be able to find those right now at Foot Locker for like on sale or clearance. Air Max 270s. Price one of these, same thing, retail. I think somebody just not putting a tag on them, man. Is that what's happening? Or they just not on sale? We see that they still have these in deck. I'm not sure. I think this was the last place we saw them at too, but here's another pair of them. You know what I'm saying? What do you guys think about those? Sorry about the shakiness, just trying to adjust and take a picture at the same time. We talk about them because I'm doing it with one hand, you feel me? So bear with your boy, trying to get some good shots for you guys. And then we also spot another one. Another one. Are y'all surprised? I kind of am. A lot of people were on these, bro. Size 10, this has to be a return. I have been spotting some things that stand out to me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Anything in particular that stand out to you. The hash wall was pretty good. Maybe like an 8 out of 10, you know, maybe like a strong 8 out of 10. There was some good shoes, some good finds. Now we're gonna check out the few aisles that are here and then get on out of here, you dig? Pretty dope. They got the Reacts, some more Epic React, full size run. Huarache, $64. Nike Speed Turfs, still $109. I think that's the price they were last time. This right here is a new colorway for this shoe right here, Nike Zoom. I haven't really seen this colorway. That bright orange, pretty dope. Got that 3M all around the shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these as a whole. $175. We got Roshe Runners, or the Roshe 1. This is like the first time I'm seeing a Roshe after wearing them. First time trying them the other day in a video. Let me know what you guys think about those in the comment section. This colorway is pretty dope. Now, of course, there are a few other shoes here, but I don't want to hold you guys and just show you guys random stuff. So you got these right here, the Nike Air Force 270 Utility, black and white colorway, as well as the Volt colorway. For some reason, the Volt colorway is $99. And the black and white colorway is $120. Let me know if you guys own a pair of these and what do you guys think about them. I don't own a pair of them. I'm kind of good on them. They look like kind of bulky. But what's not for me might be for you. So let me know in the comment section below. We meet again. This one on display itself doesn't look like there's no defects at all, bro. Maybe that's why they're $160. I think they originally retailed for $190, right? But because they were labeled B grade, they went down in price, and you see them only at the outlets. Got size 8 all the way up to like size 12 is the biggest size I've been seeing. So no 13 for me to try on, even though we already had these in hand before. Let me know what you guys think about these. Is this a good price or should it be lower? You know what I mean? I think they're starting to realize the value in these. They were labeled a B grade, but people still like them and been doing their thing to try to actually get the shoe themselves. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section below. If you are in LA, East LA, outlet got a pretty good size run of them. You might want to come down here and check them out before it's too late, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. For the women, they still got the Great 95s here. These 4s. This is a newer shoe. I didn't see this last time I was here. It has to be a return. Let me know what you think. Retail Air Max $720. Retail with 20% off because it is off the back wall. They still have these Jordan 11s here. It's a nice colorway. Air Max 1 for the women in a size 8.5 for $59 plus 20% off. This is a nice colorway. Another colorway, the Air Max 270 that they have this one as well as this one for the ladies. Both of them I think are below retail with the 20% off. Now we're over here in the kids section. Here's the breakdown once again for you guys. Okay, first of all, we pull up, we got some KDs. I forget which one these are. Help me out in the comment section below if you know. I think these are the KD 7s, but I forgot like what edition, what's the name of these. Pretty crazy. Some dope KDs for the little ones right here. This is a size 6.5. Then if you look over here to right above it, you got these classic shoes right here, these pennies for the little ones also. Some plush shoes right here, classic shoes. Smash the like button if you see something in here you like, you know. Now these look kind of crazy, and I told you, they always give kids some crazy exclusive colorways. Am I tripping into this trash? What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? I think it's pretty fire though, to be honest with you. Kids get all the crazy colorways, bro. I mean, we do too as adults, but kids get some fire colorways. Well, they got some PG flights right here for the kids. Size 7.5, that box is destroyed. That's below retail also. Okay, got some pennies right here. I don't want to pull it out because they got the sun right there, but you know what it is. Soldiers, Air Max 95s. They got some of these pennies for the little ones also. It's pretty nice up in here, bro, as always. As always. Okay, so they got the snowflake ones here for the kids. If you're somebody out there looking for your little one, size 4.5, $79. I still got these on deck here for 109 now. Still a full size run of them pretty much. Chlorophyll still here, not bad at all. Still 139, that should be lowered. You got the Tinkers, the Don C Legacies. Then you have these foam pilots still here, worth mentioning. Boom, right? But the newest edition, some people might think this is dope, some people might think not. But in that royal blue, 120 Air Flight Posits, man. What do you guys think about these? And I think that price point is much better than 200. You know what I'm saying? 120 as opposed to 200. Let me know what y'all think about that. And here's the size run of them. A lot of 9s, 10s, 10.5s, some 11.5s also. Pretty good selection if you guys need it. Once again, these are here, 89 bucks. Air Max 1 Premium, definitely premium quality on this upper. The suede is very, very nice and buttery, as you can see. If I do that, that's crazy, right? 89 bucks as opposed to 130, definitely worth it. Pretty good size run if you are size 9 through, I think 11.5. I see, did I see a 12? Yeah, they got like two 12s here. Air Max 1, Air Max 1, as you can see. Same things, just don't want to show you guys everything that we've seen last time, but if it's your first time, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, check out the rest of the videos. We got a lot of outlets going on. Air Money's in the all gold for 109. I think this is a newer colorway here for the Air Max 270, 129, which is like 130 as opposed to 150. Maybe that should be a little lower. And they also have it there next to it in the all white too. Still got these bad boys too on deck, size 10, 190 with 20% off. It's on the back wall, you feel me? This is why you always gotta double check and triple check, because as you see, I'm looking around. But then look what I find down here. Yes, we have these right here, of course, right? That's one shoe. But this is not what we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen. These bad boys right here were making a lot of noise. A lot of noise. We got to get these under some light. Let me know what y'all think about these. Air Max 90 QS, 160 retail, minus 20% off with the extra set of laces that come with the shoe. Let's talk about this shoe, bruh. Once again, a lot of people say, oh, it's a return. Facts, it is a return. But that's just dope to see it here, and it's below retail. Fire shoe, bro. Fire shoe. Let me know if you guys like this shoe. Some people think it's trash. Some people really, really like it. I'm not making no move on it. It's a size 9. If you are in the LA area, you might want to head over here to East LA. This is a community store, so what I've been told before is a lot of people don't really know about it. A lot of hype beasts aren't in this area. It's in East LA. You know what I'm saying? So every time I tell people about it, they don't even know that this store exists. So if you are here in the LA area, I'm trying to give you a spot to come check out. Might find something you like, you dig? Let's get the light on this and see what they really look like. Now you can see the shoe fully with the light on it, and that is just dumb fire, bro. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section below. So they say when the light hits it, it's a totally different color shoe. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. If you think this shoe is dope too, please smash that like button. The midsole is fire. Everything about this shoe is just dumb fire, bro. Wow. Man, I see why people was going stupid for these, bro. I see. A lot of good things here, bro. Let me know what your favorite shoe is. Timestamp it. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer it to the best of your ability. If I didn't mention the price here, check out one of my old videos at the same location, and I'll probably have the price point there. I'm about to get out of here, maybe take a couple more look around, but other than that, I'm about to get out of here. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.